Discussion. The results, 2012 to 2015, from the long-term fertilizer experiments, established in 1955 in different soil climate conditions, Ivanovice na Hané, Lukavec, and Chaslov, in the Czech Republic, representation of soil types in the Czech Republic, Chernosims 11%, Luvasals 12%, Kimbisals 46%, prove that the application of the farmyard manure, FYM, increases the sohm, Korg, content in the soil. If we apply the FYM together with mineral fertilizers, NPK, the conditions of the soil and its quality are maintained at optimum quality, still increasing the Korg content in the soil. These results are confirmed by the study of Zhao et al., performed under similar conditions. The average annual air temperature and precipitation are in the range of 8 to 15 degrees Celsius and 500 to 950 millimeters, in the North China Plain. Benefits of the long-term application of organic manure and mineral fertilizers on soak pools and sequestration also confirmed studies from Liu et al. And Mensick et al., who analyzed the effect of the long-term application of organic manures and NPK on soil quality parameters, brown soils, in the Czech Republic. The application of organic manures and slurries to the soil increases soil fertility and ensures stable production and food security for future generations, even under changing environmental conditions. On the other hand, application of mineral fertilizers without any inputs of organic matter leads to destabilization of soil environment and is connected with a significant decrease of soil fertility. This is confirmed by studies of Yang et al. And Chen et al., who published that application of mineral fertilizers is insufficient for maintaining the soak under the conditions of conventional agriculture, where no plant residues or manures are returned to the soil. Increasing Korg content is closely connected with increasing TOT. See linear relationship between Korg and TOT, figures 6 and 7. The same results were published by Maltese et al. From Switzerland, who analyzed the effect of the cattle manure and NPK in the long-term experiment, established in 1976, on calcareic Kimbisals. Nitrogen fertilization has been reported to increase sequestration, but the effect differs between the studies. The application of fertilizers to nutrient-deficient soils generally increases the soak content because fertilizers increase the crop production and, thereby, the amount of plant residues released to the soil. Thus, the strategy in soil nitrogen management is continuous incorporation of organic manure, to prevent acidification and maintain high soil productivity. According to our results, application of mineral fertilizers and organic manures did not significantly influence phosphorus, potassium, and magnesium content during the studied period, 2012 to 2015. Results from the Maltese et al. Also show that in-fertilization significantly reduces the available Mg content in the soil, where nitrogen fertilization likely increased Mg extraction from the soil, due to higher crop yields. This has not been proved in our study. On the contrary, the Mg content in the soil increased. The highest N, P, and K content in topsoil was recorded in FIM plus N3 packed treatments, while the lowest content was in the control treatment. Our results are consistent with the study of Yang et al. He showed that application of organic manure in cultivated farmland significantly increased nitrogen accumulation rate, and this influence was greater in comparison with NPK application. The multivariate exploratory techniques help us to determine the structure and interrelationships between objects and attributes by the technique of the reduction of the attributes on a latent variable. The aim of the PCA is to simplify the description of a group of mutually dependent or correlated attributes, while the FA serves to examine relationships and correlations between a large number of original attributes by using a set of less latent variables, called factors. The multivariate exploratory techniques, PCA, FA, and CLU, divided different techniques of ecosystems into two categories, figures 12 to 14, 1, control and FIM plus 0, higher Korg, TOT, and pH value. The contents of P, K, Ca, and Mg were comparable to the control treatment, except of ICRF, where Chernosims are occurring. 2, FIM plus N3 pack, FIM plus N2 treatments, higher Korg and TOT content, higher content of plant available P, K, and Mg, especially in FIM plus N3 pack treatment, and higher pH value, a decrease compared to the control in FIM plus 0 treatments, Acidification due to mineral nitrogen application on soils with worse properties in KRF and KRF sites, figures 12 and 13.